Welcome to Argentina. If you've been dreaming of a South American adventure, Argentina should definitely be on your list. This stunning country offers a unique blend of vibrant cities, breathtaking natural wonders, and rich cultural experiences. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 must-visit destinations in Argentina that will make your trip unforgettable. Let's start with the heart and soul of Argentina, Buenos Aires. This bustling capital city is a melting pot of European elegance and Latin American passion. As you stroll through the streets of Buenos Aires, you'll notice its unique charm, where historic architecture meets modern flair. One of the best ways to experience the city is by exploring its diverse neighborhoods. Palermo, known for its chic boutiques and trendy cafes, is perfect for a leisurely afternoon. In contrast, San Telmo offers a glimpse into the city's past with its cobblestone streets and antique shops. No visit to Buenos Aires would be complete without diving into its vibrant tango culture. Whether you're catching a professional tango show or visiting a local milonga, where you can watch or even participate in a tango dance, you'll be captivated by this passionate art form. Next, let's head north to one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on the planet, Iguazu Falls. Located on the border of Argentina and Brazil, Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking spectacle of over 250 waterfalls cascading through lush subtropical rainforest. On the Argentine side of the falls, you'll find extensive walking trails that allow you to get incredibly close to the roaring water. The highlight is undoubtedly the Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat, a U-shaped waterfall that plunges over 80 meters into the river below. The sheer power and beauty of Iguazu Falls will leave you in awe and make for an unforgettable experience. Finally, we journey south to the rugged and remote region of Patagonia. One of the top destinations here is El Calafate, a small town that serves as the gateway to the magnificent Perito Moreno Glacier. The Perito Moreno Glacier is one of the few glaciers in the world that is still advancing, and it's truly a sight to behold. Imagine standing on a viewing platform surrounded by the icy blue expanse and hearing the thunderous crack as a chunk of ice breaks off and crashes into the lake below. You can also take a boat tour to get even closer to this natural marvel. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can even trek on the glacier itself. Patagonia's dramatic landscapes, from towering mountains to sprawling ice fields, offer endless opportunities for exploration and adventure, making it a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. So there you have it, 3 incredible places to visit in Argentina. From the vibrant streets of Buenos Aires to the natural wonders of Iguazu Falls and the rugged beauty of Patagonia, Argentina is a destination that has something for everyone. Whether you're seeking culture, adventure, or simply a new experience, this South American gem won't disappoint. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're inspired to start planning your Argentine adventure.